Hey everyone, we are going to solve this wonderful question today without the use of any calculator. So let's start with the solution for this particular question, but before that let me request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends if you really like it. So the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to write down this power 10 here as 8 plus 2 and then remaining number as such. Now in this particular step I'm going to use a property of exponent that says that a raised to the power m plus n is a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power of n. So I can write this as 4 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 2 minus 4 raised to the power of 8. Now from this equation what I can do is I can take out 4 raised to the power 8 as common. So this would be 4 square minus of 1. Now 4 square is 16, so I can write this as 16 minus 1. So this is 4 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 15. Now in the next step what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce this number over here in a much more smaller power. So for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down this 4 here as 2 raised to the power of 2 and the remaining quotient intact. So now here I'm going to use another property of exponents where these two numbers can be multiplied. So this would become 2 raised to the power 16 multiplied by 15. Now this 2 raised to the power 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 10 plus 6 multiplied by 15. And again I'm going to use the property of exponents that says that a raised to the power m plus n is a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power of n. So this can be written as 2 raised to the power 10 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 15. Now here if you notice I can break down this power 10 again as 2 multiplied by 5. So this is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied raised to the power 6 multiplied by 15. Now 2 raised to the power 6 here can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 plus 1. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1. So 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. 32 multiplied by 2 becomes 64. So I can write this 2 raised to the power 5 as 32 raised to the power of 2 and then remaining number as this is multiplied by 15 over here. Now this 32 can be written as 30 plus 2 whole square multiplied by 2 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 15. Now here I'll use the property of a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. And then this entire number is 2 raised to the power 16 multiplied by 5. So now this is now equal to 900 plus 4 plus 120 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 6, which is 64 multiplied by 15. So now this is 1024 multiplied by 64 multiplied by 15. Now this 1024 here can be written as 1000 plus 20 plus 4 multiplied by 64 multiplied by 15. Now when you open this, this would be 1000 multiplied by 64 and then plus 20 multiplied by 64 plus 4 multiplied by 64 multiplied by 15. Now in the next step what you are going to do is going to multiply all these numbers together, and so this would be 64,000 plus this would be 1280 plus 240 plus 16, and if you multiply, this is multiplied by 15, and when you multiply all these numbers together, the final answer that you get is 9, then 8, then 3, 0 and 4, 0. So this right here is the final answer, and I hope that this video was informative enough. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.